Welcome back to Impossibly Kosher. Today we're going to be making the most incredible pasta and meat sauce. This video is sponsored by the Kosher King and meat brought to us by koshermeatstoyou.com. Check out their link in the description below. Alright, let's get started. First, get an onion and chop it up. Hey, wait a minute. Let's see how to chop the onion. Okay, long thin slits and 2 cuts across. Then chop, chop, chop. Much better. Onions always make me cry. Why, onion? Why? Okay, enough being a baby. Let's see the rest of the ingredients now. First, the chopped up onions. Then, loosely chopped up basil. A good amount of the best minced meat you can find. koshermeatstoyou.com. A large can of diced tomatoes. Dry oregano. A tablespoon of parsley. Some black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And that's it really for the ingredients. So, I guess let's get started. In a large pot, add in a good amount of olive oil on high heat. Once nice and hot, get your minced meat in. And start breaking it up and stirring it until the meat is nice and browned. Then, add in your onions. Always a few try to escape. Not today. Add in a teaspoon of crushed garlic and mix it all well. Add a good amount of salt, I'd say about a tablespoon, and mix it up again. Lower the heat to medium and add in your diced tomatoes. That doesn't look like enough tomato. I'm going to add in a can of tomato sauce too. Much better. Now the parsley, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano, the basil, and stir. With one hand stir, with the other go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and ring the bell, and you'll keep up with all our awesome videos. Now that is looking pretty good. Keep it on medium-low heat to reduce, and let's get the pasta going. Get a pot of water onto the stove on high heat, and add a generous amount of salt. Cover on. You know how they say if you stare at water it won't boil? Let's go ahead and test that out. Well, it's boiling, so that's not true. Now add in some olive oil. That's going to stop the pasta from sticking together. Then add in your pasta. I'm using penne because, well, it's my favorite. Stir it often and leave it to cook for however long it says on the box. Now let's go back and check on our sauce. Looking good. Give it a little stir and let it keep going. Back to the pasta. Okay, this takes a couple of minutes, so we're going to go ahead and skip this part. Hey, where'd it go? Oh, it's done. So now it's time to strain it. Be careful your hands when straining. Steam can burn. Give them a little rinse under cold water, then back into the pot they go. Now add in some salt and stir, but no oil. Pasta done. And would you look at that sauce? Coming along beautifully. Let it reduce a bit more to thicken up. And when it looks like this, well, it's time to plate. Pasta first. A fair amount. Okay, a great amount. Hey, I'm a penne guy, so one more. Now sauce. A generous serving. Look how incredible that looks. For dinner, a pasta and meat sauce with perfectly cooked pasta, a meaty rich meat sauce, incredible flavors, and well, the perfect meal, right here on Impossibly Kosher. How awesome was that video? Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, give us a thumbs up and ring that bell to get notified of future videos just released. And don't forget to check out the Kosher King and koshermeatstoyou.com, who are the proud sponsors of this video.